Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a review video, and I am going to review this product called the Fashion Factory TFF Shimmer Bricks. So if you have been following my channel and if you have watched my videos in the past, in 2019 I had done a haul video, and they were products sent to me by this website called blushpop.com. So I had got this product in PR from them, and ever since I got this product I have been using it, and I wanted to do a dedicated video, but somehow I couldn't. But today this is it. I am going to talk about and review the Fashion Factory Shimmer Bricks. So if this video interests you, if you'd like to know more about this product and my thoughts on it, then please keep on watching. Before you go ahead and watch my video, please consider subscribing to my channel if you like my content and if you'd like to support my channel. So let's get started now. And so let's talk about the TFF, the Fashion Factory Shimmer Brick. Today I have not applied any eye makeup or face makeup like blush or anything, because I am going to use this product in the video as well. And I have done my eyebrows as well, if you can see, but I haven't done my eye and face makeup. Now the Fashion Factory is a brand not new to me. I have seen a lot of Instagram stores and some other XYZ stores selling it. तो आप गूगल पे जाके चेक कर सकते हो, बट आई couldn't find a proper legit website other than the blushpop.com. This is not a sponsored video, now they have told me to review this product, but since I'm reviewing it, and if you really like what what I'm talking about, or if you're convinced to buy this product, you can use the link, go to their website and purchase this product. They have really nice affordable products as well, so yeah, you can check them out. Now the packaging looks like that. It's golden and it really looks attractive, and my variant is 05. They do come in other variants as well. I'm not sure how many. You can go ahead and check on their website. I'm really happy with the variant I chose, 05. If I look at the ingredient list, it has a methyl paraben. So if you're somebody who does not like parabens in your makeup, stay away from this. Also, I noticed it's a made in China product. Now I leave it totally up to you whether you want to try it or not. I am okay with it, and the price of this product, like they say, is 400, which I feel is a little bit steep. But on their website, it's always available for 199. तो 200 रुपये में आपको इससे better shimmer brick नहीं मिल सकता है. Also, you get 10 grams of product, and it has approximately 5 years of shelf life. So everything is very nice about this product, I feel, and for 200 rupees it's totally worth it. Now I have showed you the packaging from outside. I'll just open it now. So I had to save this packaging from the last 1.5 years, because if you're a blogger, YouTuber, influencer, whatever you want to call yourself, content creator, you have to show this. तो आपको पैकेजिंग रखना पड़ता है, प्लस इट हैज़ द एक्सपायरी डेट. So this is how the product looks like from the inside. This is how it looks like, and I'll just open it quickly and show you guys. So yes, this is how it looks like. So the camera, it will be difficult for the camera to exactly catch it, but I hope you can tell. It contains 5 distinct colors, and all are one below the other. And again, here behind there is a list of the ingredients and how much gram of product XYZ. It says it's a vegan product and it is cruelty free. So wow, so Sone pe suhaga, that's a good thing. And as I said, there are 5 shades out here, starting with the lightest. Then this is like a pink tone color. This is like a peachy coppery color, and this one is like an orangey color, and this one is brown color. So basically it's a mixture of a very pinky and coral tones in this palette, if you can see that. Now I have used this palette a lot of times, and I would say it's really nice. I mean, 200 rupees में आपको इतने सारे colors मिल रहे हैं, and you can use them for a variety of uses. So yeah, I'm really happy about the product. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start using this product today, and I'm going to start with my face makeup. Like, I'm going to try and use this bottom color out here, and I'm just going to bronze up my face, because I'm looking really flat right now. So I'm going to use this brush. It's a little bit dirty, but I have used it today itself. It was a clean brush, so I'm going to sweep it down here, and I'm going to tap off the excess. Well, there is definitely kickback, क्योंकि ये काफ़ी glittery है, and I'm just going to apply it here. And you see that it's already showing up. Same thing I'm going to do out here. I'm first going to place the product here, and then I'm just going to blend it. Okay friends, so this is how everything has come together. I can already see, it's giving kind of a dimension to my face. Now I will not apply it here on my jawline. The reason being is that ये एक shimmer brick है, तो इसमें shimmer है लेकिन बहुत chunky वाला नहीं है. Like, can you see that? It's not that bad and it can easily be used as a bronzer or to sculpt your face. But I would personally not prefer going out here because it is shimmery and it will kind of look very odd if somebody looks at you closely. So the next thing now I'm going to do is I'm going to clean off this brush here on my tissue. I'm going to apply a little bit of blush on my face. For that I'm using this second shade out here and the third one, and I'm just going to mix it all together. Tap off the excess and then I'm just going to stamp it on my cheeks. So the pigmentation is really nice considering that ये सिर्फ 200 रुपये का है. I would say it's really nice. And trust me, I have used this like a lot of times because I'm somebody who does not like way too much pigmented blushes. Like camera पे और यहाँ पे YouTube video बनाने के लिए ठीक है, but if you go outside you cannot look like a clown because anyways people will be like ये कितना makeup लगाती है. I really don't care, but I personally do prefer blushes which look more natural. So the light is kind of washing me out, but if I look in my mirror out here, I have applied quite a lot and it's looking really nice and much better than before. So I'm quickly going to switch my brush. I'm going to use this brush and I'm just going to mix everything together so that it looks seamless. And so lastly, I'm just going to use this top shade out here as a highlighter. Now because these are so closely placed to each other, it's very difficult to use a big brush. So I would suggest you to use a brush like that and go ahead and apply it. So can you see it's a subtle highlighter? It's nothing like wow wow boom, but it kind of works. Like, can you see my nose is already shining? So yes, very nice product for $1.99 I would say. Definitely good for the cheeks. Okay friends, so this is how my face looks like. I think it's really cute, isn't it? Like there is a vivid glow on my face. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to do my eye makeup. I have already prepped my eyelids. I have used the NYB concealer and I have also applied a little bit of powder on top of it. So I'm going to use this bottom shade which is like this brownie color. Tap off the excess. There's a lot of cake pack, mind you. And I'm just going to place it out here in my outer V and then lightly sweep it in. Now because this is a shimmer brick, don't expect it to be exactly like eyeshadow. आपको layering करना पड़ेगा. And other than that, if you want it to pop really well, you can just use any of your white pencils or eyeshadows and it will look really nice. So I'm slowly taking it inside as well. Can you see that? The light is kind of washing me, but I'm trying my best. Okay friends, so I have done a little bit of shading in this part of my eyelid, and the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the other side of the brush and I'm going to use this third shade out here. It's like a coppery, kind of dark coppery color, and I'm again going to deepen up this outer V and take it a little bit inside. Moving on, I'm going to switch my makeup brush and I'm going to use this first shade out here, which is like a highlighter kind of shade, and I'm just going to apply it all across my lid. Can you see that? It's showing up really well. And I'm also going to take it to my inner corners. Okay friends, so this is how my eye makeup finally turned out. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put some kajal and mascara and I'm going to be right back. Friends, so I'm back. So this is finally how my makeup has turned out and looks like. Okay guys, so now that I am done with my eye makeup, I'm going to give my honest thoughts about this product. What I really like about this product is that it is easily available online, and you can also find it in local shops, I believe. The Fashion Factory as a brand is available in some Instagram stores, so you'll have to हैशटैग से आप ढूंढ सकते हैं अगर कोई इसको बेच रहा है, या तो फिर easily आपको ये ब्लश शॉप पे मिल सकता है. I like that they have a variety of shades, which is like 5 shades, and you can swirl your brush completely into all these colors and apply it, or you can just go for the first 2 shades as highlighter, the middle 2 shades as blush, and the last shade as a bronzer, which I have done today, and I pretty much like it, like how it is looking on camera. If I have to talk about applying it on the eyes, well, if you have nothing, then you can definitely go for this, but I would not say it's the best thing to apply on the eyes. Now my eye makeup kind of looks good, but it was a real struggle to get to this part. Like the crease color is not very deep, although if I look into my mirror in real life, it does look clear. So I would say it's fine. It's not that great. Like अगर आपके पास आई शेडो नहीं है तो आप इसको easily workout कर सकते हो. Like what I use today is I use this Dabur Gulabari face cleanser. It's like a glow mist. I wetted my brush and I applied that first shade, so it's really popping right now. I also applied it here so that the color pops when I'm showing you it on camera. In real life, it's looking perfectly fine, although I feel it's a lot of effort. So for the face, definitely it's a winner. For the eyes, I leave it up to you. Also, you can make these work by using a base as an eyeshadow. Like I have the NY Bay white color pencil. I wanted to use that today, but I wanted to purely review wise, I wanted to show how it works on its own. So this is how it looks like. If I would have used that pencil, definitely ये pop होता और मुझे इतना दिक्कत नहीं होती थी. So definitely you have to use like a base, or a white pencil, smudge it on the lid and then pack the shadow on it. That way it will work really well. So what I think about the shimmer bricks, it's really nice, and you can try it for 199 rupees. The con that I found in this is that it has parabens, and it is a made in China product. Although I said I'm okay with it, but I also found that it has a lot of kickback. Like when you use your brush, a lot of it will scrape off, and it causes a lot of wastage. But I would say that it is the same with other shimmer bricks, so it's not like a major con or something. I have used the Savannah color shimmer brick, or the expired ho chuka hai, I threw it out. It was really nice. I couldn't use it completely, which I was very sad about. So this works in the same way like how the other shimmer bricks work. इसमें kickback बहुत होता है, इसके लिए it's the best thing to use it is for the face. If you want to use it for your eyes, you can. You just have to tap off the excess and be a little mindful and careful while applying the shadow. So what do I think about this product? I think it's amazing, and you can definitely try it. So I hope you found this review helpful and informative, and if you like this video, leave your thoughts in the comment section. Like this video, share it on your social media. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Now I've already crossed 2050 subscribers. So I'm really thankful for that. I had posted on my community tab, and I didn't mention in my last video, nobody response out there also never leaves a comment down below, so I'm not sure who is watching my video. If you're watching, definitely like my video, guys, so it will reach to a wider audience, and I'll get more views and watch time and all that stuff which I'm struggling with. I will be discussing that in a future video of mine. For now, thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you soon in my next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.